it's pronounced acai.
Acai.
Acai. Sakina tell me acai. But no, she did. She didn't. I told her acai, but it's acai. Acai bowls look like ice cream. Almost taste like ice cream. Now, I'm told this because I've never had it, but it makes you feel good about your breakfast choice. That's it right there. Now, Monique Thomas, who I call Monique, has brought the idea to Jamaica with Dream Bowls JA. So she's here to give us a taste. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Good morning.
When you say you bring it to Jamaica, you don't live in Jamaica?
I live in Jamaica sometimes, half and half.
Okay.
So I go back and forth.
Okay. Acai is from Brazil, the Amazon, I'm told. What is it?
It's a berry that is on palm trees, only native to the rainforest in Brazil. So it's a very, very special fruit. It's actually one of the top fruits because it's a superfruit because it's very high in antioxidants and it helps your body a lot more than any other fruits that we have.
Yeah.
It helps you with weight loss. It helps you fight cancer. It helps your libido. It helps you with a lot of things.
It helps your libido? Well, the interview done. Goodbye, folks. White look like ice cream, please.
Because it's pulp. So you can have acai in different versions.
And that's the way it comes?
That's the way it's sold, distributed most of the time, but you can also get it in powder. And how you mix it determines what kind of bowl you'll make and how you'll use it. Because like some people, like in Brazil, they drink it as a cold soup or you can have it as ice cream. It just depends on how creative you want to be.
So you do it as what? A smoothie, a breakfast,
like a
lunch,
smoothie
dinner?
Bowl.
What you do?
Smoothie bowl.
Smoothie bowl.
Yes.
Dream Bowls JA is what?
It is a company that is introducing your dream bowl. So basically, you make your own bowl based on the toppings that you want and what you feel you need in your diet, etc.
So you make that for me?
Yes.
So I just call you and say, well, I'm diabetic or whatever I need, and you sort me out?
Yes.
This morning, how are you going to do it this morning?
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make it with the pulp. So you're going to add the...
I could get it in Jamaica now?
I think you can get it, but I don't know where.
But I can get it from you?
You can get it from me, though.
Okay. So, as you said, in Brazil, is it something new or is it just new to us?
The world. Over the past few years, it has become very popular in the States, but it's been in Brazil forever, and they've had it like as a part of their like daily meal.
Yeah,
like
you already said soup and stuff, but ideally, what's the suggestion from you? You have it in the morning, you have it at lunch?
Anytime.
Yeah, but what's
honestly.
the suggestion?
I personally like it in the morning or in the afternoon because you're not supposed to have a lot of sugar in the evening, but you can have it anytime. It's kind of like a meal when you think about it because you have that and then you have the grains and you have the nuts and you have the granola and the berries. So it's very filling. Yep.
Is this a specific amount you've put in, or I can just basically judge what I want or what?
This is about the size, I think about 100 milligrams. So and that's how the pulp normally comes.
So is there a suggestion as to how you mix? Is that one glass? Is that a bowl?
No, it just depends on what you want, personally. So if you want more acai tones, then you would put more acai, less fruits.
Acai. And it's spelled A-C-A-I.
Yes.
So acai goes in.
Acai goes in. This is a mix that I like to make. It's acai, banana.
Well, I wish you were here earlier, Sakina. I was trying to make something this morning, but it never come out so wonderful.
Oh.
You should have been here earlier. Again, these are not specific servings?
No, this is a cup of almond milk. This is 1 banana and 100 milligrams of acai. And then I like to put a few blueberries in there because I like the texture that it adds.
Monica, I think you were watching Sakina this morning. She's using almost the same things.
Really?
But again, I'm repeating myself, but it doesn't have to be specific. You
can make it as you want it. That's why it's kind of like a dream.
So that's it?
Yes, that's it.
So about the nuts and...
We're going to put that on the top. All right, so we're going to mix it now. So this would be the base mixed. Normally you would have frozen ingredients, but we didn't have time to freeze the bananas. So this is it, but I made a pre-made one for you guys. And now we're going to make 2 different types of bowls.
What you want, mate? What you need?
Ooh.
What you need?
All right, this is good. Okay.
If you could compare it with anything, what does it taste like? If you can.
It's a very distinctive taste. Like I said, it has cocoa undertones. So
almost chocolatey?
Almost chocolatey. So depending on what you pair it with,
Okay.
That's the kind of notes that will come out.
Okay, so it would get a little thicker if you don't put certain things in it, and it would.
Yes.
Okay, it would be less chocolate if you don't put. Okay.
So you have like complete control.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna add the acai in the bowls. I'm gonna make 2 bowls for you. One is going to have more grains, more fiber. Then the other one's going to be a bit more fruity.
So that is going to taste different from what you're doing now?
No, it's going to taste exactly the same, but because it wasn't frozen, I'm using this one instead.
So I'm being looked after this morning, folks. Oh, well, Monique is looking after me. Sakina didn't.
Sure.
So Monique, because you have got me acai.
Acai bowls.
So this is just like ice cream.
It's like ice cream, but
Monique,
it's a lot healthier.
you know.
Trust me, you're going to love it. You're not going to want to put it down.
There's plenty that do this morning, you know. Superfood. Good for your...
Good for your libido.
Yes.
It's very healthy for you. It helps you with your immune system. It helps fight cancer.
Yep.
It actually helps you with anti-aging as well.
No, sir, we need look like we need a whole
All right, so
truckload, that is.
generally,
Yeah.
what we like to put on acai bowl is like to put a lot of granola because the crunch is very good and it helps with the texture.
Yeah.
So you put granola.
Question, someone watching, they want you to do a bowl for them, what do we do?
You reach out to me over Instagram.
And that would be? Where?
Dream Bowls JA.
That's it.
Yes.
That's simple
Or
enough.
Facebook.
What kind of timeline, if I need something like for tomorrow morning, I can just call it tonight and say, sort me out, or what?
Well, for now we're doing a series of pop-ups, but hopefully in the next week or so we're going to start doing deliveries. So if you told me from the night before, I can definitely make it for you.
When you say a series of pop-ups, we have pop-up where?
Our next pop-up is going to be at JoJo's this Saturday.
What time?
I think from 10 to 4.
And this is all you'll be doing?
Yep,
Different
we're going
bowls?
to be different bowls. And we're also going to be selling homemade almond milk and cashew milk.
Homemade?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
So you're a, what, nutritionist?
I'm just a health advocate. My partner knows more about the nutrition. I just like the decoration, and I'm just in love with acai bowls. So I'm kind of like more of a brand ambassador. But I just love eating healthy, and I love acai. It's very addicting.
When did it start?
Maybe a few months ago. We were just eating acai bowls nonstop, and we were just like, we have to bring this to Jamaica. Because it's healthy, it's sweet, it's yummy, and you can create whatever you want to create.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right, so there's Instagram at DreamBowlsJA. And again, we're going to get some... I'm waiting to taste this thing, you know, man. You can take it
I'm
forever.
doing as fast as I can.
Okay, now you're going just like Sakina, no, you know, man. You take it forever. Is that me? That's it.
So you can put half a banana on it. Depending if you like banana. Everybody doesn't like banana.
It's another wonderful food, you know.
Banana? Yeah,
banana.
lots of potassium.
Banana, excellent for everything. Gonna go for a break, folks. And you won't see me when you come back. Gonna eat some food. Sakina will be here when you come back, and I'll have some of this. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. Sounds good. Sounds good.